Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the StartVision Floodlight camera. In the box, you'll get a user manual, 5-volt 3.5 watt solar panel, screw sets and metal mount, USB cable, and wireless security camera. The StartVision Floodlight camera is a Wi-Fi connected floodlight and security camera combination that lights up the outside of your home when motion is detected and lets you see what's going on out there using your phone. It offers some useful features including a passive infrared motion sensor, a microSD card slot for local video storage, and color night vision. With most advanced AI human detection technology, the security camera only detects human movement, more accurate than traditional PIR or motion detection security camera. The rechargeable camera records video when changes in heat, such as human or animal, detected in the area.
Device power on successfully.
When the camera detects a human figure, the floodlight will light up. Simultaneously, the alert with snapshots or video will be sent to your phone immediately. To support solar, just plug the USB cable of the solar end into the charging port of the camera to start charging.